Ten best places to visit New York. Number 1. Statue of Liberty. Symbolizing freedom and hope, the Statue of Liberty is an iconic monument. Ellis Island, nearby, is a poignant reminder of America's immigrant history. Number 2. Central Park. This expansive green oasis in the heart of Manhattan offers a tranquil escape from the city buzz. Explore its meandering paths, lakes, and attractions like Bethesda Terrace and the Central Park Zoo. Number 3. Times Square. Known for its vibrant lights, bustling atmosphere, and Broadway theaters, Times Square is a must-see destination for its energy and entertainment. Number 4. Empire State Building.
Ascend to the top of this Art Deco skyscraper for panoramic views of New York City's skyline from the observation deck.
Number 5. Metropolitan Museum.
With its vast collection spanning thousands of years and diverse cultures, the Met is one of the world's premier art museums.
Number 6. Brooklyn Bridge.
Walk or bike across this iconic bridge, offering stunning views of the Manhattan skyline and Brooklyn neighborhoods.